Hey party people! New Year's Eve is just around the corner, and if you're like me, your wallet is feeling a little sad, but your New Year's spirit, not as much. A cheap alternative to going out and partying all night is staying home to celebrate. You could do something like a potluck or a BYOB party. If we're all broke and we each have mini-size wallets, then every person can bring one small thing to create a full-size party. Is this where the phrase, "it takes a village" comes from? A board game night. Depending on the game, it could be a really chill night or a screaming match. No matter your vibe, it's bound to be a good time. Or a night of passive-aggressive Monopoly moves and broken friendships. At-home karaoke. I found this guy at a thrift store for $12. It only comes with 4 Disney songs. What could be more terrible than that? My neighbors are gonna hate me. Oh well. Go to sleep. Sleep is free. Dance party! Tell Alexa to blast the music and turn down the lights. And if your dance floor is feeling a little spacious, well, maybe it's just a reminder of how small your social circle really is. Whatever you decide to do, don't forget to decorate. It's amazing what you can accomplish with a little bit from the Dollar Tree and a lot of glitter. Also, don't forget to pop up the live stream of the ball drop. You know, it's times like these when I am genuinely grateful for my empty wallet. Then I don't have to stand out there in the freezing cold with the rest of them. But if you want to be cold, find out where they're shooting off the fireworks in your hometown this year. Then you can grab a blanket and some mittens and sit outside and enjoy some free New Year's entertainment. Oh, did you think I was outside? No, never. Still need some more ideas? Here's a quick list of some fun things to do in case all my effort with this video has been invaluable thus far. Well, there you have it. New Year's on a budget. Because who needs to start the new year in debt when you can start it with cheap snacks and questionable life choices? Happy New Year, Fluffy.
Here at Mission 2 Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly blogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye!
A board game night. I forgot the rest. A cheap alternative to going out and partying all night is staying home to celebrate. You could do something like ask the doorman to interrupt your video.